Your Honor, I belong to a proud nation. A nation that was created in the name of Allah Almighty. A nation for which thousands of sacrifices were made. A nation for which the Muslims left their lands, their loved ones, and their ways of living. A nation for the freedom of exercising the religion. I belong to this proud nation. A nation that has phenomenal potential, great people, and great talent. A nation that has great rivers, high mountains, and great agricultural lands. A nation that has wealth of natural resources, great strategic location, great air force and army. A nation having great friends like China, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and Libya. I belong to this proud nation. Ladies and gentlemen, know hear me clear. A nation that has surpassed all the heights of cruelty, brutality, fatality, greed, and corruption. A nation where man is eating man. A nation where destruction and devastation of innocent life is game to play. A nation where we slay our brothers in the name of war against terrorism. I belong to this proud nation. A nation where land mafia demolishes a school to build a restaurant. A nation where poverty and ignorance mask the face of death. A nation where innocents are slaughtered in the name of blasphemy. Yes, Your Honor, I belong to this proud nation. A nation we call the land of Pak people, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Your Honor, I have a dream. I always dream to be called a Pakistani rather than getting tagged a tribal. I always dream to be freely moving from province to province and from city to city, able to see the innocent faces of your own hardworking people. Have you ever felt terrorist enough to not being allowed to go to a central park in the province of Punjab? It's enough. We have already lost the gambling of our precious life. When will this nation see our dreams coming true? We have dedicated and given our lives in the name of this nation. When will this nation see the truth of promises made by our witty leaders? We have slaughtered our rights for seeking justice. When will the statue of justice standing in the Supreme Court provide real justice to my poor nation? I question you all. When? I question you all. When? Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is one misunderstood country defamed by the international media and my own people who are struggling to make their bloodline contaminate with foreign genes. Pakistan is nowhere near to what most people say a dangerous country. I agree. There are places, like in any country, that are risky, but we have what other countries strive to achieve. World's most amazing river system. Beautiful farmland of Sindh and Punjab. Unrelenting, punishing, but yet magical Thar Desert. Multitudes of mysterious lost culture that dot Sindh's interior region. Rugged land of Balochistan and our emerald, Kashmir, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa with its paradise. All we need is to break the chains and stop being Western slaves. Let's be united and work for the betterment of our nation. Be the Shaheens of Iqbal. Be the Shaheens of Iqbal.